Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.